Hi guys, I'm Ivana. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Today we have another unboxing. So I'm not sure which one this is because I have 3 coming. So we're gonna be surprised together. This is not the proper tool for this. That's all I had here. Okay, let's get on with this. I had a feeling this was the one because it's a small box and this is the smallest bag that I ordered. This is a bag in the Denison Collection, which is a Croco embossed collection from Dooney Bourke. And this is the Allison Crossbody in deep teal. And I love this color. I had such a hard time deciding on which color that I liked the best in the Denison Collection. I liked the gray color, which I think might be the smoke, and I'll find out about that one maybe. And I also liked the plum color, which is gorgeous, but I don't know, maybe I like the teal a little bit better. And then I also like the steel blue, which is very close to the gray color, but the gray is just a little more neutral. I'm liking the color. So before I show you the bag, here is the tag, and this is number 55 out of 75. This is so pretty. The highs and the lows. That's what I love about this. There it is. No feet on the bottom. And this right here, the raised text logo, is one of my favorite ones from Dooney Bourke. I think it just looks modern and sleek and simple, and I just love it. This has a front pocket, which is great for, now I don't know if my cell phone is going to fit this way, but maybe standing up and sticking out, I'm not sure. It's got the braided zipper pull, and also up at the top, the main zipper has the braided pull. It has dark TMorro brown trim, zipper pulls and strap and trim right there. It's kind of, I don't know why this front zipper is kind of wonky. I don't know if that is an issue or not. Maybe it's just because the bag is overstuffed with stuffing. So let's take it out. Inside is the standard Dooney setup with, no, it's not a standard Dooney setup. It just has a zipper pocket in the back, and I do not prefer this, but one slip pocket in the front. I prefer when it has 2, but it's probably because it's a smaller bag and it would be just harder to fit 2. So as you can see, there is a funny little dent there. See that? I did get this bag on such a good sale, so I don't think any of these little miniature little issues are going to bother me, but oh, it's so pretty. And with this red, I think it's just so beautiful. So far, I think I'm loving this bag. I will put the measurements of the bag right here on the screen and down in the description box below. Okay, I'm getting tired of this. This is, oh, handy little tool right here. This is what this tool is for. Cutting little plastic straps. So it's got a very long crossbody strap, which can be shortened to a short shoulder bag because it has the removable portion of the strap. The strap is kind of a thinner TMorro brown strap with stitching and 5 adjustable holes there. This one also is the same, 5 on the other adjustment. Let's try it on, shall we? So for reference, I'm 5'5", and I have this set on the shortest setting on each side for the crossbody option. And here's what it looks like. It's nice and close to the body, which is how I love my crossbody bags to sit. Here it is on the shoulder for a long shoulder bag. Pretty long, and this is the shortest setting. And now let's try it with the center portion removed so that it becomes a short shoulder bag. I'm going to put it on the middle hole, which I probably would wear it on. So on the middle hole, it passes the elbow test, it just barely skims it. That's where it sits on me. So it's a nice comfortable length. I would wear it on the shortest setting because I like my short shoulder bags to be short. And it still is okay going over the shoulder. Now this is a great length for me right here, the shortest length. And I think I forgot to mention that the strap is not removable, which is kind of a bummer. I always like the option of being able to switch out the strap, but I think that it's still cute. So there it is, the Dooney Bourke Allison Crossbody in deep teal in the Denison Collection. And I believe I paid $67 for this one. So it was on a really good sale. I think when they had the Merry coupon, which I don't know if it's still there or not, but there she is. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you'd like to, hit the subscribe button. And I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family and friends. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye, guys.